Valmiki National Park. Valmiki National Park is one of the national park in Bihar and it is important center of wildlife conservation and biodiversity. Located in the western part of the state near the border with the Nepal, the park form a part of the larger Valmiki Tiger Reserves. It is named after the ancient sage Valmiki who is believed to have lived in this region. The park covers a vast area for forest, grasslands, river system, creating a diverse ecosystem. It is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, making it an important destination for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. The dense forest and natural surrounding provide an ideal habitat for many species of animal and bird. One of the main attractions of Valmiki National Park is the presence of tiger. The park is India's Project Tiger initiative, which aims to protect and conserve the endangered Bengal tiger. Apart from tigers, the park is also home to the other animals such as leopards, elephant, deer, wild boars, and sloth bears. The park is rich in the bird life as well as the numerous species of residents and migratory birds. This makes a popular spot for bird watchings. The Gandak River, which flows through the park, adds to its natural beauty and supports aquatic life. Valmiki National Park is not only the important for wildlife conservation but also play a role in maintaining ecological balance. The forest help in regulating climate, conserving water, and supporting local communities. Efforts are being made to protect the park from deforestation and illegal activities. Tourism is gradually developing in the area with facilities for safaris, trekking, and nature exploration. Visitors can experience the beauty of the jungle, observe wildlife in their natural habitat, and enjoy the peaceful environment. Tourism is carefully managed to ensure that it does not harm the ecosystem. The park is also has a cultural and historical significance. It is associated with the saga Valmiki, the author of Ramayana. According to tradition, it is believed that the part of the epic were composed in this region, adding a spiritual dimension to the park. Valmiki National Park is a vulnerable natural treasures of Bihar. Its rich biodiversity, ecological importance, and cultural connections make it unique and significant destination.